Okay, can we try now question 1, 2, please? And then you send your answer through the chat. Okay, all right. Okay, we have those answers coming in. Okay, Akil, you got to check your answer. Zahir, well done. Davish, question 1, well done. What about question number 2? I think you have made a mistake in, hold on. Question number 2. All right, don't just look at, why don't you compare some of, you need to compare Kaseh and Davish for question number 2. Davish, you have already corrected your answer. So what about the rest? Okay. Think through, try to make sure you get all answers correct, okay? It'll be a waste if you get any of the questions wrong. So, Kasih, can you try again for question number 2? Question number 1, okay. Akil, you got to check, Akil. Your question number 1. Have you sent? Ilhan, well done for question number 1. Zahir, well done. Question number 1. Okay, Davish, you got both correct already, yeah? Okay, never mind. Okay, you do without your camera, okay? Okay, we are still waiting for answers. I'm going to go through shortly, yeah? So we give Kasih. Okay, well done, Kasih. What about the rest? Question number 1, very simple. You got to be able to identify the ones first. So Akil, where's the ones? Is to the left of the dot. This is ones. Down here now is 3, right? Is tens with a TH. Remember, Akil? Okay, yeah? Okay, just be careful of that, okay? Because these are giveaway marks. That means what? It means that you can score. You can get extra marks for this. Okay, so I will move it down so that those of you who have done can move on. Hold on, Okay, so now okay, so which fraction is the smallest? Come on, some of you have not given your answer. We're going to go through shortly. Cannot use calculator. Cannot use calculator for this one. Okay, we have question number 1.
That is 9, right?
Yeah, 9. 6.912. 6.912. Let's see. Okay. So Zahin and Ilhan, you're giving answer question number 2. Please check. Please check. Don't just take the smallest, biggest number here. You got to also compare. Maybe you can compare with number. Okay, so I'm going to go to question number 2 in 1 minute's time. I'm waiting for Putri. Putri, come. Turn on your video, Putri. Zahin. Okay, only Ilhan, his camera is not working. In fact, you can ask yourself, if you want, we can compare it to 18 lah. Okay, let's compare it to 18. Okay, we change to 18 lah. Okay, this one times 2, you get 18. You times 2, you get 8. 8 over 18. This one, you cannot change to 18. You got to change to 72. Okay, let's see now. Okay, we change to 72 then. 72 times 8, 32. This one times 9, get 72. Times 9, get 27. Notice the difference. This is already smaller than 4. 4 You times by 8 times by 8, you will get 72, right? So now you get a different answer now. Okay, number 3 is smaller. And actually the answer is number 3 lah. This is the answer. Okay. If you want to compare between these two, you can compare, not a problem. 2/5 and 3/8. Okay, you can take 40 lah. Okay, you want to compare this. So you don't need to have all of them the same denominator. So down here, you times by 5, you get 40. You times by 5, you get 15, right? Down here, what about here? This one times by 8, you get 40. And 2 times 8, you get 16. You want smallest, right? So number 3 is the one. All right, we are now moving to question number 3. Now, question number 3. Okay, let us see now. Question number 3. Okay, well done. Ilhan, Dawish, well done. Your answers are correct. Clue. Reduce 9 over 12. Reduce 9 over 12. Clue. The clue. Reduce 9 over 12. Okay, hold on. Let me clear screen here. And then the rest can do the next one. Reduce 9 over 12. Zahin, your answers for question 3 or 4? 3, yeah. Dawish, well done. Yes, Dawish, so far you got a straight flush, huh? Okay, those cameras not on, please turn on your cameras. Akil, yours is for question number 3, is it, Akil? Okay, well done. So now I'm a little bit confused. Okay, yeah, Ilhan, well done for question number 4. Ilhan, your 3 and 4 are correct. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this. What about Putri? Putri, have you sent this one now? Reduce it. Divide by 3, divide by 3, get 3 over 4. See how to do this one. Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit. These both can divide by 3. 9 divided by 3, get 3. 12 divided by 3, get 4. Now, if you want to change this to 100, let's say we change to 100, you can times by 25. I'm showing you one method lah, one method. Times by 25. You get 675 over 100. This automatically means it's like that one. Number 3. If you're confused by this, when you reduce 3 over 4, you can also take 3 divided by 4. Okay, do the long division. Okay, you cannot put 0, put a dot on here, add down here. So you get 28, you get 7, right? And then after you minus, you get 2. Add a 0 down here, you can bring it down, 20. 20 is 5. So this is 3/4 is equal to 0.75. Okay, I repeat. 3/4, when you do long division, is 0.75. So if there's a 6 in front, we got 6.75. All right, the next one. Let me clear screen again. Sorry, just a moment. Okay. Mr. Dawish, you can move on to the next one. Question number 4. Those, Ilhan also can move on to the next one. How to do this one? You try to do this. I'm going to give you another question. Well, I think we went through this last week, something like this type of question. So let us see. Well, Dawish is very fast. Congratulations, Dawish. Okay, straight flush. Well done. Okay, if you are able to do like this, keep it up. Well done. Okay. Those of you who cannot do question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Zahin and Putri, your answer you're giving for question number 4, is it? So sorry, according to them, it's not correct. Okay, never mind. We will do this in a moment. Huh? We will do this in a moment. Okay, just so now ask yourself how. Okay, I just show you this for one. Okay, Akil, if there's answer, your screen is blank. Who say your screen is blank? You cannot see anything.
My brother changing clothes.
Okay, no. Someone was saying their screen is, Putri, your screen is blank. Now is it better? Okay. You can see for one. Okay, now down here now, how to do like this? Okay, you can add a zero at the back. It might be clearer for you. Imagine there's no dot. This is one way of doing it. 2010, 2020. What's between? Between 10 and 20, 15 lah. This is 2015. So now you put the dot back. There's one way of doing it. Sometimes you can have this form. Another one you must remember is this. If they give you like that, let's say 2.1, then they put on here 2.7. Take bigger number minus smaller number. That's the first step. First step is bigger number minus smaller, get 0.6. So from here to here, from one number to number, 0.6. How many parts are there? Look, 1, 2, 3. 3 parts is 0.6. One part, take 0.6 divided by 3, you get 0.2. So you plus 0.2. This one, next one is 2.3, 2.5 plus 0.2, 2.7. Okay, we try this one. We go through, okay, this one. You check whether your answers are correct. First of all, they have written it very small. Okay, so now, why don't we look at the answers? The answers has how many decimal blanks? How many blanks after decimal? 1, 2, 3. So I am going to include 3. Why I want to do the 3? Let's say, or 2 or 3, up to you. Down here now, I might put down here. It might be better. See? Can you see now? Better already. Imagine there's no dot. 190, 200. So now I take 200 minus 190, or 2.0 minus 1.9, right? I get 0.1. Now what is 0.1? 0.1 is from here to here. Between the two, 0.1. How many parts are there down here? Okay, we can count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 parts is 0.1. One part, you divide now. One part, 0.1 divide by 5. See how to do like that lah. Okay, you can do by like this if you want. You divide by 5. Add the 0 down here. So 0 point. This 5 also cannot put another 0. Then 10 divided by 5 is 2. Oh yeah, 0.02. So you plus now the next one. You want to know the next one? Plus 0.02, you get 1.92. Then 1.9. Then add another 0.02, 1.94. So same thing now down here. You add 2.02. You see, I still don't understand what am I talking about. Okay, you take 2.00, you plus 0.02. Now watch. Because some students will able to absorb faster, some slower. No? So those who are fast, be patient. Those who are slow, don't give up. So you add, you get 2.02. You see 2.02? 2.02 here lah. Okay. And then, let's hold on. Someone's coming. Putri is coming in again. Okay, it's 2.02 again. So now we try. Then what to do? So you know where's 2.02, right? 2.02 is sorry. So 2.02 is already here, right? This one out here. So do the next one, 2.04, 2.06. Can see now. This one become 2.04, 2.06. If you're confused, imagine there's no dot. Imagine there's no dot. You see how to imagine there's no dot. Okay, I show you now. How to imagine there's no dot. There's a dot on here actually. There's a dot on here. So you say, you imagine this one 190 lah. Or you can imagine this one 200, right? This one 210. So you take 210 minus 200. How much? 10. Then it's 5 parts. 5 parts, 5. 10 divided by 5, get 2. So 200 plus 2, 202. 202 plus 2, 204. 204 plus 2, 206. Then 208, 210. Can you see now? But now there's a real one. The real one has a dot. So just put the dot here. So 2.06. I hope you're okay. Don't worry. Okay, if you don't get it, watch the video. You know how to watch this video, right? You know how to assess the video, right? You watch the video again, try again. But almost every 1-2 lessons, you will get this sort of question. This type of question is very, very common. Okay, so we try the next one. A machine can pack. Okay, we move on to the next one. Sorry, number question 6, please. Darwish, you got answer for that, right? Okay, so now question 6 now. What is the length of a bed? You must know this. Okay. Well done, Kasih. Well done, Darwish. Anyone else? You all must be able to answer this. If you do not know, habis lah. Well done, Putri. What about the rest? Zahin? Zahin, are you sure? This one, Zahin, you will say like that, the bed is like untuk jin, 19 meters. Can you make very long bed? You know, there's like a flagpole, you know. Flagpole might be less than 90 meters. Ilhan, same thing also. Very long bed lah. This one for jin lah. You know what I'm talking about, jin. What is your height? You ask yourself, okay, let's say now, Ilhan, your height is 1.6 lah, let's say. 1.6. This one cannot lah. You say this one cm lah, hello. Okay, I'm confused. Okay. First of all, this is, can you see 1 cm here? You can see. Don't say 1.9 cm. What type of bed is that? Very short. Even you sleep on the bed, you will break the bed. This one 1.9 cm cannot be. My height is 1.73. My height. So if you have a bed, let's say you have now my height is 1.73, right? This is me sleeping now on the bed. 1.73. Your height might be 1.6 lah, doesn't matter. But the bed got to be bigger than me, right? So it might be 2 meters, possible. But 2 meters is taller than me. But if you get 20 meters, 90 meters, it's very, very tall. Okay, I'm just gonna Google to you, go for you, okay? So that we're all very, very clear on this. How tall is a flagpole? Can see now. How tall is a flagpole? In meters, like in meters. 165 meters. Alamak, what is this? Flagpole, no? I think they're not giving. You see down here, between 6 to 30 meters. So if you say your bed is like 19 meters, 20 meters, it's a very long bed. You can run on the bed. You can do your shuttle run on the bed. Okay, so cannot be, okay, don't do shuttle run on the bed. It's quite fun actually, but don't do it. Okay, so this one, the answer is what? Answer is 1.9 lah. See 1.9? Then what about those NBA soccer players? They have to buy bigger ones. They might buy 2.4, 2.5. Okay.
So NBA soccer player? Soccer?
NBA. Basketball player. Basketball. Salah. Okay, I'm just going to Google again so that you are very clear. We Google. Okay. And what we're going to write? How tallest man.
2.7 meters.
2.7 meters? How do you know? Let us see. Yeah, 2.72 meters. So don't say bed is 19 meters, 20 meters, cannot lah. What are they going to do with all? How are you going to put the bed inside the house? See, no, I don't know. I put the house inside the bed. Okay lah. We put the house in bed. Okay. Now we try now. Next one, this one is red. Red is coming out. And also, yeah, okay. So fast. Who is this? It's faster than me. Dawish, very fast. Question number. According to answer key, Dawish and Zahin. Okay, according to the answer key, your answers are wrong. But let me check. Let me check. Okay, let's see. You might be right. Let me check. Okay, so far none of your answers is the same as the answer key. But sometimes answer key can be wrong. Answer key can be wrong. So far, no one has gotten the same answer as answer key, but it's okay. Maybe the answer key might be wrong. Let us see. Okay, I want you to think through carefully because I am still thinking about the question. Stephen completed a puzzle in 132 seconds. Okay. He was 39 seconds faster than Thomas. So Thomas must take a longer time because Thomas is slower. When you're slow, you take a longer time. So let us see now. How? Okay, some changing answer. Okay, let's see. No problem. So he took a longer time, take 132. He must plus 39 on here. What should you get? 171. There's a plus. 171. So 171 is what? How many? Okay, 1 minute is 60 seconds. That's 1 minute. 1 minute. 2 minutes, 120 seconds. Okay. So this is already 2 minutes lah. If we minus 120 seconds, what's the balance? The balance is 51. 2 minutes and 51 seconds. All okay? Dawish okay? Dawish okay? Dawish. Okay. Now these are questions you should not get wrong. Why? Because you can score at this. You say, no, I'm very charitable. Don't throw marks away, please. Okay? This is not charity. It's not charity. Okay? This is not charity. So now you try the next one.
I thought minus.
Minus. If minus means you become faster, If let's say now Thomas, Thomas is slower, Stephen is faster. Faster.
Yeah, go toilet.
Yeah, go. So can you see Stephen now? He finished in 132 seconds. He is faster than Thomas. So Thomas is slower. Thomas take longer time. So if I'm going to draw a model, this is now Stephen. And Thomas might be longer. Why longer? Because he is slower. Slower means you must take a longer time. And this is 39 seconds. So because of that, you have to plus. 39 plus 132, you get this one is 171. Then you divide by 60. Okay? Okay, na? Are we okay? Yes, sir. So remember, these are questions you must not throw away marks lah. Okay, you try the next one. Okay, the next one I see. I'm just reading the question. Some of you have already given the answer. Okay, means you're very fast, very good. Okay, but let us see. Difficult to see lah. So, okay, never mind. We we take it as okay, we take it as tak jadi. But for your info down here, you cannot see lah. Never mind lah. Forget about this one. Okay, this one, be careful about this. The angle down here is you need a protractor lah to measure. Otherwise, it's not a fair test. Okay, we are not doing tessellation. Percentage. Can you try question 10? This is still 1 mark. Okay. Some of you say, where is the percentage? The percentage is in the free pancake. Imagine you buy 5 pancakes. You're only going to be charged for 4 pancakes. So that is the percentage we are looking at. So I'm going to write on here. What is the percentage discount for buying 5 pancakes? That's what they are asking like that. Okay, here we go. All right. So we have so far, not sure. What is the price for okay, if you are not so sure down here, you must understand what's the meaning of the word discount. Discount means no need to pay, don't need to pay. You don't need to pay 1 pancake. Out of total 5 pancakes, 1 pancake is a discount. You are buying 5, right? But you only pay for 4. What you're not paying? 1 pancake. Just like, for example, you're buying a toy. The toy is $100. Then they tell you you pay only $70. Let's say. Your discount is $30. So your discount is this one, what you don't need to pay, $30. What you don't need to pay, 1 pancake. So put 1 pancake out of 5 times by 100. You will get 20%. Again, I repeat, this fraction now must represent your discount and 100%. Discount is 1 pancake. 100% is 5 pancake. So there is actually a problem with this question. They must actually include like that. Must include for buying 5 pancakes. PSLE, they will surely include. So if you say for buying 5 pancakes, you know this is 100% already. This is the full thing. And then you get 1 pancake free. This is the discount times by 100. You get 20%. Okay. So I hope you're all right with that. Okay, we move on. Okay. Try your best, try your best, okay? It's not too tough, okay? PSLE is not too tough. Some questions are tough, but not all of them. As I'm explaining to some of you, they cannot have all very difficult questions. Then parents will complain. Number 2, they cannot differentiate between the good, the not so good, the very good. They cannot differentiate. Okay, Okay, the mark angle, they want you to compare between this and this. What's the difference? You must take this minus this. So let's see. Very fast. I'm not even done. Oh, don't understand question. Okay. They want you to find this angle. Okay, that is angle BFD. This one. Then
So
they want,
F is that one.
yeah, this one.
Okay.
This one minus this one. They're asking you to find out to minus between the mark. Mark angle is what they have already put the marking here. Without the angle here, there's one mark, 1, 2. So what's the difference? Difference, you know, must minus one. Okay. So let us see whether I can do or not. How Zahin? Cannot Zahin? Clue. Look for the clue. I'm going to underline the clue for you. Davish, well done, Davish. Well done, Zahin. A little bit complex, Zana, but you can do it very good, very good. It's a little bit complex. You have to find so many angles, but it's okay. Kasi, you gotta try again. Okay, I'm just gonna help those of you who are not so sure. I just help a little. Okay, this one, 60. This one, 60. You can find this one already. This one, 60. Step 1, 360 minus 60. You get 300. Okay, you found this already, 300 already. Okay, and then?
Is it number 3?
Number 3. Don't tell the rest. Could be, could not be. I do not know. Okay, down here now. We try the next one now. Down here, how to find? 180 minus 60. Oh, okay, 120. Then this one how? 180 minus 120 minus 21. You get 39, this one. This one, you know 39. Down here also, you know 39. Okay. 39 is 30 because it's the same, right? 60, 39, 99. This one how much? 81. So now you can take 300 minus 81 lah. Because you want to know the difference, right? 300 minus 81. What do you get? You get 219. Number 3 is correct. Okay, let me check. Some of you have sent me the answer down here. Hold on. Okay, this one is okay. You got 300. You got 60, 60. Okay, then down here lah. You find this one. 120, kasih. And then you add 1, 2, 3, add up to 180 degrees. Right? Once you add up 180 degrees, this is same as this. These 3 add up to 180 degrees. You can find this one. 300 minus 81. Okay, not so bad, Not so bad. Putri, okay, Putri? Not so clear. Not so clear. Okay, down here you understand 60 equilateral, 60, 60, 60, okay? This one 300, okay? This one 60, this straight line 180. 180 minus 60, 120, okay? Can you see the straight line on here? Putri, okay? So this 21, 120 plus this equals to 180. Angles in a triangle. You minus, you get 39. This is also 39. Same. So 60 plus 39 plus what equals to 180? You minus, you get 81. Then 300 minus 81, you find the difference. Not so tough, okay? Not so tough, right? You can do this, you can do this. Okay, let us try now. This one. These are all 2 marks question, okay? Please try your best. Oh, very fast. Hold on, Okay, let us see. Darwish and Putri, congratulations. Well done. You can do the next one also. I think no, cannot yet. Sorry, there's no space. Okay, Zahin got to check. 3 hours. No, you want to use 3 hours. 1 hour is how much? We got to check how 1 hour how much. 15 minutes. What? Okay, by tonight I'll upload. Okay, so this is 50, or maybe by later, maybe right after this I'll upload, but I need some time for the thing to process. Okay, so now let's check now. So now if we want 1 hour, how? 15 minutes is 50 cents, 30 minutes is half an hour. How much? You times 2 lah, 30 minutes, $1. Then if you want 1 hour, 60 minutes, right? You times 2, right? Then you times 2 here also lah. You get $2. 1 hour is $2. You want how many hours? 3 hours, You got to times 3 becomes $6. So your rental is already $6. Then your deposit is $40. So $46 lah. $6 is for your rent. $40 is for the deposit. Okay. Remember 50 cents for 15 minutes. Don't find 1 minute. Go straight to half an hour. Half an hour is $1 times 2. Then after go to 1 hour times another 2, get $2. Then go to $3, 3 hours times 3, get 6. Okay. If you can't get, please send me a message. Please send me a message. Don't just pretend, okay, we are not going to do this yet. Thanks. Thank you. Cannot. Form with the same denominator, you'll be able to get it. Okay. Anyone? Not yet. Zahin, you just send. If you just send, it's not correct. Come on. Count the number of parts. How many parts are there in total? Make them have the same denominator. Make the denominator the same. Make it the same. Then you have the total number of parts for all the sugar. Okay, we'll check in a moment, Sahin. What about the rest? Irhan, okay. But answers are still no one is getting the correct answer. Eh? What's the number? You can 3 times 5, 15. So 1 you can times by 5. This one now becomes 5 over 15. What is this? Monday. Tuesday, sun times by 3 lah. Times by 3. Tuesday, how much you spend? 6 over 15. Altogether, there's 15 parts. Monday, 5 parts used. Tuesday, 6 parts used. Altogether, 11 parts used. What's the balance? Well done, Kasih. What's the balance? Balance is, Akil got to check in. Okay, well done, David. Hold on. Davish, not yet. So total now, at first, got total how many parts? Total 15 parts. Balance, okay, balance 15 minus 5, then after that minus 6. Your balance is 4 parts. 4 parts is how much? It's 132 grams. 4 parts, 132 grams. What is 1 part? You divide lah. 1 part is 132 divided by 4. How much do you get? I'm going to check. Hold on. You get 33, not 44. 33 grams. And then 33 grams is for 1 part, right? How many parts is total? 15 parts is total. So you must times by 15. You will get 495. Battery died lah. Mati lah dia. There's some battery died. Too bad lah. Okay. So I hope you get it again. Those who don't get it again, I'll run through again. This one now, on Monday, you change it to the base of 15 times 5 times 5. So on Monday, we can say that you use 5 out of 15 parts. So use 5 parts lah. Tuesday, you times 3 get 6. Tuesday, 6 parts. All together, how many parts used? You plus together. 6 parts plus 5 parts equals to 11 parts. Good. Total, how many parts? 15, because you change this to 15, change to 15. Total parts is 15. 15 minus 11, you get 4. So balance is 4 parts. 4 is equals to 132. So now divide by 132, divide by 4, you get 33. 33 is for 1 part. You want how many parts? Total is 15 parts. Times 15, you get 495. Okay, we try again. Next one. Okay, if you don't get it, don't give up. Okay, please try. Pie chart. No, this is area. This is area. Okay, don't worry about this. We move on to this. So this one, later we look at it. If we have time, we'll look at it. Okay, they want you, E is 9. 20E minus 16E divided by 4. Plus, this is plus. Kasih this is a plus. Then plus bracket E times 5. Can you try, please? Let us see. Two persons are. Let me check. 9e divided by 4. No, you are supposed to put in the value. So Zahin has already given answer. Let us see whether it's correct. This is question 16 more. This is more than 100. According to answer key, is more than 100. So you got to find out. Okay. Kasih, Putri, well done. My suggestion is do the algebra first. Do the algebra first. Don't put in the value. Do the algebra. Which one do you do first? You got now minus, divide, plus, bracket. Do the bracket first. E times 5 is 5e. You write like that. We do slowly is okay. Okay, slowly is okay. Yeah. So I'm just rewriting everything. Why? This is the method to do it. This is actually also used in secondary school. Darwish, too big. Let's see. Yeah. Now you got minus, divide, plus. You must do the divide first. Zahin, almost there. Almost there. But you missed out something. So you must do down here, divide first. 16e divided by 4 is 4e. Now you have only plus and minus. What do you do from left to right? 20e minus 4e, 16e. 16e plus 5e, 21e. Now you put in the value. Now you put the value inside here. 21e. E means 9 times 9. Okay, 21 times 9. And I think you will get the answer. 189. Now, I need to check whether you understand. If not, I need to repeat this. Darwish, you understand? Zahin, understand or Zahin? Zahin, you understand? Little bit. Little bit, okay. Akil, you understand, Akil? Okay. Now, if you don't understand, I repeat again. I'm not too sure. Sometimes students say understand. They don't understand. Last time I taught the teachers in Indonesia, in Thailand, I asked them, do you understand? They say yes. And then when I ask them, they don't know. They're exactly like students. So here we go. Remember, you have plus, minus, divide, plus, and bracket. Do the bracket first. 5 times E, E times 5, 5E. Then I copy down the same thing. 20E, 20E, minus, minus, 16E, 16E. Divide, divide, 4, 4, plus, plus. This one's 5E. Now I look, the sign. Minus, divide, plus. Must do divide first. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4E. So now there's minus and plus. Okay, do from left to right. 20 minus 4, 16E. 16 plus 5E, 21E. 21 times E. E is 9. 189. Okay, I hope this is okay. Can do these two together. What is the biggest possible number? Darvish, almost there, but it's not. Darvish, I can say the answer to be 212001. Bigger than your number, no? When you round off to the nearest 1,000, it's the same. Kasih, I can say your but Kasih, if you okay, let me see. I look at one answer first. So far, no one has gotten correct. That means I got to teach you this step by step. Okay, we are waiting for the rest first. Can I see the rest answer? That means you're not so sure how to do this question. I will have to teach you from primary 4 style first. Okay, so don't feel upset. Okay, I have to teach you from primary 4 style. Anyone else? Putri? No. Okay, so we start from P4. Okay, rounding off. Okay. Oh wait, sorry. I thought when I asked you, you say like that. Means you say no. I don't know. Okay. Anyone else? Akil can do that. Akil, you give up already. Don't be like that. When you do the stunts, you don't give up so fast. I do stunts. I take my risk. Okay, let's see. So far, no one has gotten it correct. Okay, so that means we need to go through. Okay, now we go through primary 4 one. Okay, please focus. Okay, primary 4. Where's all my markers? All hilang. Hantu sini. Sekejap. Yeah, all my markers is gone. They fell to the floor lah. Okay. Watch step by step. Now I'm gonna use the thing. Let's say 200 and 200 lah. The number is 200. Okay, so they say okay, we go step by step. Okay, down here. Now this number, I have a number. This number, I do not know what the number is. But when I round off to the nearest 100, it becomes 200. What is the biggest number? So some of you will say 199. But 199 is not the biggest number. I can make the number 201 also. It's also round off to 200. So what number? What? So if, in order to ask yourself, if you are running off to the nearest 100, 1 stands 100, you must look at the 10.
Is it 210?
210. I can make it 211. It's still anyone else? Anyone else? Come on. What's the biggest possible answer? Come on.
Sir, I cannot see.
Cannot see? Alamak. Siapa yang cannot see? Can see, huh?
Sir, is it 249?
249. Let's try. Let's try 249. I'm going to try 249. 249. I look at down here. Because it's 4, I don't plus 1, right? So my answer will become 200. Yes. But if I just plus 1 more, 250. This one now, because I must plus 1 become 300. Can see now? So the biggest possible is 249. Okay, we're going to increase the number. Okay, cannot see, please tell me. Cannot see, please tell me. Okay, I'm going to write. My answer is 24,000. What is the largest possible number? I want to know what's my number. Largest possible. What's the largest possible number? Okay, Zahin says 2,400, 24,500. But Zahin, if it's like that, 1,000, right? Nearest, sorry, not 100, nearest 1,000. Sorry, nearest 1,000. Nearest 1,000, you count 1 stands 100,000. You must look like this one. 5, you must plus 1 become 25,000. Cannot be. You got to how? Anyone? Darwish says 24499. So 1 tens 100,000. We look down here. Do we plus? No, because it's 4. So 24,000 correct. Well done. If we plus 1, it becomes Zahin's answer. So this is the largest possible answer. Are you okay? Cannot. We try again. We try this question again. Huh? We try now. Okay, everything falling. Come on. You can do this. Believe in yourself. Allah made you special. Huh? Allah made all human beings special. Even though kita takut hantu, tapi more special than them. Their king is Iblis kan. Iblis is the head. Allah commanded him to bow down to Nabi Adam now, to us because of our brain. All right, let us see. Which one, Davish? I think Miss. So far, no one has gotten it correct. Look, I can give you my answer like this to look. If you say that's possible answer, Akil almost there, but yours become 213,000. Look, I can make a number like this. 212, 201 also possible. What? It will still become 212,000. More than many of your answers. Almost there. Darwish almost there, but you got it wrong. Congratulations to Mr. Akil. You got it. But now, what about the rest? Can you get it or not? Can be 212,000 lah. 212,000. The next number must be a number that is the biggest so that you don't add any number. What's the biggest number that you don't need to add? 4. Yes, Darwish, you got it now. And this one, Karisa, can be 9.
Yeah.
Can be 9. Not 409. 499. You see now, nearest 1,000, I look down here. Do I plus 1? I don't plus 1. So this is the answer. But if let's say we add one more, just 500, you just add one more. This one now you must plus 1, become 213,000. Okay, I think some of you are still confused. So we have to re-look at this later. Okay, inshallah today. But the answer is here, 212,499. A lot of you write 211. Because don't think about 211. You can have 212. See, I said 212,111. 1. Possible. Okay. Headache. I hope you're not getting headache. Let's try now. Using any of the two numbers. They have so many things. They want you only to use 2 of the numbers. Congratulations, Mr. Darwish. What about the rest? But the number must be able to be divided by 4 lah. That's what they're saying. You can get bigger than that. Zahin can get bigger than that. 86 cannot divide by 4. 88 can. Bigger than that also, Zahin, still bigger than that.
96.
96, you tell the answer to everyone, this guy. Spoiler party lah. Okay, 96 correct. Okay, you remember that 100 can divide by 4? 100 divided by 4, you get 25, right? Then you minus 4 still can divide what? Minus 96. So you try, first of all, you try to make the biggest number. Biggest number is 98. Say cannot. This one you try to do it, cannot. Then try the next biggest number is 96. Because this is the biggest, so cannot. Try the next biggest number, you possibly can. Try. Okay. This is like teka-teki. teka-teki. I do not know whether you know what's teka-teki. Okay, this one is not coming out now. You all know that speed is not coming out. Your whole B book is not coming out, right? Except for volume P5 volume. So this one actually this one is still coming out, right? This one is P5 volume now. Okay, can we do this? P5, I think this is P5 volume, right? You did it in P5, right? Correct? So we try this lah. Oh, so fast. Who was the one? So fast she. Wow. Hey, Davish, how you calculate so fast? I am a robot. Really? You're a robot? Do you eat food? Let's see whether you're right. Okay, we check now. I'm also checking. See, the rest is giving answer. I have not even thought through it. Hold on. Okay, Davish, congratulations. Let us see what about the rest. Gosh, too many lah kasih. How can you get that? So many. Well done to Putri, Akil, and Davish. This is considered one, you know, Miss Kasih. Yang tengah makan ni. Satu. All is satu. So we do by cake lapis. I think. Let us go by what those of you are confused. We go by layer lah. You know kuih lapis lah. This first row now, how many are there? Say first row there must be 3 cubes, right? 1, 2, and the back 3. The next one is 1. The next one is 2. The next one is 3. The next one 1, 2, and 3 behind. And this one is 2. Add together lah. See 1, 2. 2 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 11 plus 14. Yes.
What happens if they just glue one of the cube to the wall to make it look like suddenly the inside hollow?
Then they have played a very bad trick on us. So now Akil is saying, hey, what happened? This behind on here is hollow. Then they played a bad trick on us. And he's correct. The behind on here could be hollow. It's possible. But this one cannot be possible lah. Akil cannot be possible lah because it's on top. What the thing will jatuh. Cannot possible lah.
They glue it to the wall.
Glue it to the wall and they play a trick on you lah. That means unfair lah. Unfair. Okay. If they do like that, means they really trying to trick you by cheating. Okay, let's see. This one now. You must know what's your base and height. You do not know what's your base and height. We have a problem. Remember, what is the formula? Half times B, and some people think B is breadth. No, base. Base, what is base? The bottom. Height. Let us see. Okay, we see whether who got it right. So fast and speedy. Zahin, congratulations, Mr. Zahin. Unit will be cm square. Remember that? Congratulations, fastest. Well done, Davish. Davish is with the unit lah. What about the rest? You have to identify the base and height. Now, some students, they cannot concentrate. Like, you know why? They need to turn the paper around. So I need to turn the paper around for them, okay? Be patient. Well done, Putri. Some are not able to see, so I just need to... okay. So now they can see. Remember the black one, the shaded triangle is the one. The white one is not. You have to identify the base. You have to identify the height. If you don't identify them, you cannot do. Base and height. Come on. Base and height. Okay. No more answers coming in. Akil, what's your base, Akil? Not your base. What's the base of this one? Your base is your 8.
Is it 180 divided by 2?
180. How come you get 180?
It's 12.
12. Okay. Okay, one by one. Okay, let us look. First of all, the triangle is here. The triangle is here. I just show you the outline. Okay, down here is a triangle. Now the base means the bottom part. Down here, there's no triangle. No? You must remember down here, no triangle. No? This is only drawing. Normally, they put dotted line. No triangle. The triangle is here. What's the base? Base is 4. Base means bottom. Height, you must measure straight. Your ruler, Even though let's say now I am now let's say my body is sengit, you cannot measure my height like that now. You still must measure straight like that. Okay, let's say now my body is like that. You cannot measure my height like that now. You must still measure my height like that. You understand what I'm saying? So down here now, your height now have to be 12. It must meet the base at 90 degrees. So your base is 12. Your height is 12. Your base is 4. So 4 times 12 divided by 2, you get 24. Okay, you get 24. Okay, your base, I write again, your base is 4. Your height is 12. I need to write this because sometimes when I say it doesn't work. So half times base times height. The rest be patient, because sometimes you can get some questions, certain questions other people can get, you can't get. So be patient lah. So what do? I don't like to times big numbers. I take the biggest number 12 divided by 2, get 6. 2 divided by 2, 1 times 4, 4. 4 times 6, 24. 24 square cm. And that's my answer. That's the correct answer, okay? All right, we will now, well, let me now rotate back. Okay. Symmetry, no, that's not. Number of games. Okay, can we try? Hold on. Ratio, please, Tracy, 26. Ratio, you must write all this down, you're working. Otherwise, you cannot do mentally. I myself, I'm using a pen to do the working. Otherwise, you do it mentally or by a calculator, it won't work. So fast, Who is this person? Cannot be a decimal. What fraction of the whole? 7/3. Okay, let's see whether you're right. Hold on, According to answer key, it's not correct, but never mind, we'll go through shortly. Not so difficult, huh? Not so difficult. Huh? You got to be careful. Come, Kasih, try Kasih. The answer is not correct, Kasih. Try again. So sorry, Zahin, it's not. Yeah, I just write some points here. Darvish, so sorry, it's not. You just write like that first. Can you fill up the ratio first for this one? They give you, right, the ratio here. So now they give you the ratio 7:6. Okay, this one 7, this one 6. And then this one P6, under P6, right? P6. There's girls to boys. 2:3. Now we have a problem. What is the problem? What's the total here? Total here is 5. But the total here is 6. So how? We got to make them the same. The total is 5, 6. Can we try to make
30.
30? Good. You times, you get 30. So you times this by 5. You times this by 5. You get 35 is to 30. How to make this into 30? Times by 6. 5 times 6 times 6. What do you get? You get 12 is to 18. 12 plus 18 is 30. Now you can. First of all, notice that all in primary 5 are boys. This whole thing is boys. The boys on here is 18 units. So they want to know what fraction of the total numbers are boys. So boys is 35 plus 18. Okay. Then the total number is given here what? 35 plus 30 is total number of students. 35 plus 30, 65. What is this? 53 over 65. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, again, if you're confused, your main problem here is they say primary 6 is 6 units. Therefore, this one must be same in units. Should be 6 or so. But this is only 5. The total is only 5. So that's why we make it 30. How to make it 30? We times this by 5, times this by 5. Why must times both by 5? To be fair. When you times this by 5, you get 30. This one must also times 5. Okay, then you get 30 already. Next one down here. How to get 30? This one now, 5 times what equals 30? Times 6. So 3 times 6, 2 times 6. You get 12, 18. Right? So that means this one is broken up. 12 units girls, 18 units boys. How many boys are there? They want to know fraction of boys. 35 is boys and then 18 boys. So you add up together, you get 53. Total number of students, 35 units for the primary 5, 30 units for primary 6. Add together, you get 65. So this is the answer. Okay, I'm not too sure whether you get it again. Please watch the video then. You watch the video. We have 15 minutes left. Let's try. Okay, we do paper 2. Yes. Okay. Question number 2, please. One moment, eh? One moment, eh? Okay. Let us see. No one yet, eh? Question number 2. Cannot. This is paper 2. You can use your calculator. This one for which question, Kasi? Question 2. But this is okay. If you can see, this is 9R, no? We do not know what 9R. Okay, if you cannot see, those who cannot see, down here. Darwish, let us see. Darwish, your answer is correct, but you did not simplify it. You need to take out the thing from the bracket first. Take out the bracket, remove the bracket, and you can minus some more. Come on, the rest. Don't give up. I don't give up. I know some of you are look tired. It's okay, no problem. I'm also feeling tired. If you need to munch or drink, please carry on. You need to drink coffee, please do. There's now I saw Akil eating something delicious. Do not know what he ate. What were you eating, Akil? Very nice. Every week you seem to be eating like burger or something. Yes, Darwish. McDonald's food. Allah Akbar. Okay, well done, Darwish. So now we go step by step. Remember, for this type of question, let us change and make it easy for you. Let's say now the whole thing is kg. Zahin, let's see Zahin. So Zahin, your answer is correct, but it's not simplified. You need to. No, your answer is not correct. Sorry. Okay, we do one by one. Okay, let's say now 10 kg. The pot is 10 kg. Okay, imagine this one is not here. I want you to understand what they are doing first. If we replace this with a number, that's the way to do it. Okay, even at sec 1, when you go to sec 1, you don't understand, you replace it and ask yourself what to do. So let's say the pot, okay, what's the mass of the flask? They say flask is 3 kg less than 10. Oh, means 10 minus 3 lah. Because 3 kg less than the pot, right? So 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay. But remember, they did not give you 10 at first. All right. What did they give you? They give you this 3 plus 9R. So what do you do? Very simple. You follow the same step. Okay. You take 3 plus 9R. You go in minus 3. So how to minus them? 3 minus 3 is it? Okay, we rearrange now. 3 minus 3 plus 9r. See, where did I get the minus 3 from? This minus 3, I move it in front. Okay, so why I move it? So I can minus 3 minus 3 is 0. I'm left with 9r. Oh, the flask is 9r. The flask is 9r kg. I've already found 1. Okay, flask is 9r kg. Yeah. Now they want to find the weight of 1 pot. So 1 pot is how much? 3.9 plus 9r. That is the pot. Then they want 2 flasks. One flask is 9r. 2 flasks, maybe times 2 lah. This one times 2, you get 18r. So you plus down here like 18r. 18r plus 9r is 27r. Oh, sorry, yeah. Is 27r. Okay, and then you have 3 what out here. Can you see? This is 18r, right? It's plus, right? 18r plus 9r is 27r. Then got the 3. So bracket this whole thing up in kg. This is your answer. Now always remember, if you get confused by this, use a number and see the steps. That's what I did. Okay, we move on. Done, huh? All this on, I'm searching for, this one. Your last question. You know that circles are coming out, right? You know, huh? Last question. Those who have forgotten, area is sorry. You all try, huh? Please start. I hope you can see.
Mr. Shahid,
Yeah.
which one is the 2 quarter?
Down here is 1/4. See 1/4 here? This 1/4. This one now is the other quarter. Can see another quarter now. Are you able to see? Can, huh?
Mr. Shahid,
Mm-hmm.
how to find the radius?
Radius.
5/2.
This is radius. From where? Okay. So I'm going to break up. Break up what? This 28, you know, radius of the big one, right? So now what about the smaller one? Let's see. Smaller one is the same. The radius is here, 20 cm. Can you see? So this side is also 20. Yeah. You break it up into two parts. One is like that. Can you find the green part first? Okay, you find the green part first. This is this part. Later this one, same thing. Just a bigger. This one 28. 28. Okay. If this one you do not know how to do, find quadrant minus triangle. You get this one. Quadrant minus triangle. You get this one. Can do not? Tired lah. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. I'll draw it first, okay? You all dah penat ya. It's okay. So long as you all are trying your best to concentrate, that's good. So this is the first one down here. And then we do this first one first. 3.14 is how to do this one. I think some of you have forgotten. Never mind, we'll revise circles another time. Down here, okay. So you take full circle. Imagine you find the whole area of full circle, right? Pi 3.14 times r times r. So you get, and then you can divide by 4 straight. Okay, never mind. We find the full circle first. After that, you must divide by 4 to get quarter. So you can use your calculator and
1256.
get 1256.
Yeah.
Confirm. 2020. Hold on, just let me check. Yes, 1256. Now 1256, next step, divide by 4. Why divide by 4? You want only a quarter of it. These 3 parts you don't want. So divide by 4. How much do you get? 314. So this whole thing now down here is 314. The whole quadrant. You do not want a triangle. Formula for a triangle, area of triangle, half times base times height. Half times base is 20. Times height is 20. Is 200. This one is 200. The whole thing is 314. Take 314 minus 200. You get 114. This is 114. You need to do the same thing now to the other side. What is the other side? This one down here. This one now. This one. Do the same thing to this one here. Okay, down here. Okay, so I draw for you. The other one, so we know that this first one is, this one down here is 114. We know. This one is 114 already. We know. Now I show you the other side now. The other side, I'm gonna show you. Just give me another 2-3 minutes. We're gonna finish. We're gonna finish. Don't worry, don't worry. I want to keep you late. Too late. Okay, down here now. Right now here, see, this is now 28. Find the area of the whole circle. What's the area of whole circle? Pi times r times r, 3.14 times 28 times 28. Put 3, what's the answer for this one?
2461.76.
There's a point. You use 3.14, yes, sir. 3.14 times 28 times 28. You're right, you're right. Now divide by 4, put 3, how much you get? Put 3.
615.44.
615.44 is for the whole thing. Now you need to find the area of triangle. Half times base times height. Base is 28 times 28. Height is 28 also. What's your answer? Half times 28 times 28. Ken?
392.
392. So this one is 392. The whole thing is 615.44. So 615.44 minus 392. How much do you get? 223.44. So now we go back to here, your last part. This one's 144 down here. Okay, so this one here is 114, right? This one down here is 223.44. Now you just add together lah. It's not too tough, okay? It's not too tough. So you add together, you will get 4.7337.44 square cm. Is square cm. And that is your answer. Never mind, we still got a lot of practice. Now, you know already we completed the whole P6 stuff. We are just going to revise. We're going to go in deeper. You got to practice your papers. Whatever questions you don't know, you ask me, send me not 1 hour before, send me 1 day before. Then I'll go through it during the lesson. Can or not? You can do, okay? All right, we catch up again, all right? Next week, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.